Welcome to Cancun.
Yes, I love my life and those things I've been through. Yes, it made me a better man. Yes, it's true. Yes, I love my life and those things I've been through. Yes, it made me a better man. Yes, it's true.
Alright, so what to do, hustlers and grinders and hustlers? What's going on? Select the Fabulous. I'm out here pumping some gas, and no, I'm not here to talk about the gas that I'm pumping. I'm here to talk about the trip that I'm taking today. Hustlers and grinders, I'm excited about it. You can see that coldness coming from my mouth. I'm excited about it because I'm about to take a trip. I'm about to head somewhere nice and warm. So, I want you guys to stick and stay. Hang with me as I finish pumping some gas, get on the road. On my way to BWI to take a flight. Trying to get it just about 15 on the nose. There we go. Right there. Here's to say, hustlers and grinders. That's what we're doing. Pumping some gas. I'm on my way, taking the trip. You already know what it is. I'm going to go somewhere nice and warm. So hustlers and grinders, let's take a ride. Alrighty, folks. Made it out here to BWI International Airport. About to catch a flight just in about 2 hours and a half. So I got plenty of time. And yeah, I'm excited for it. As usual. Mighty chilly out here. I'll tell you that. But, yeah, let's do this.
Captain straight heading into the terminal.
To Cancun, Mexico. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. When the seatbelt sign is turned off, gather our belongings and begin deplaning.
Alright, so let me tell you what we got going on, guys. Just landed in Cancun, Mexico. And I think it's going to be a little turkey kind of session. And yeah, just got to go claim the luggage, get past customs, get the transportation, and on to the airport. So go to the Airbnb. That's what I got going on. See that, guys? Welcome to Mexico. Bienvenido a Mexico. That's what we're doing right here, guys. I think we got to go down the stairs. Alright, so what's going on, guys? Everything is on the medical camp. Made it, everything's good to go. And yeah, a beautiful ride on the way to the Airbnb. Just about getting set up. It's about 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And on live on the camera. So yeah, guys, but let's set up. Let's get things going. See if we can get out and grab a bite to eat. Tomorrow will be an adventure again, so I'm excited about it. Let's go. It's warm. Alright, so let me tell you guys what's happening. Came out here to what we call an extreme ATV tour. Yeah, still here in Cancun, Mexico, Playa del Carmen to be exact. That's the city, Playa del Carmen. And came out to an extreme tour, and Hustlers and Grinders is going to be crazy. It's about to be adventurous. Try to give you the best sight, the best sound, and pretty much can't give you the smells, but it smells kind of funny out here. But needless to say, it's going to be a good time. So Hustlers and Grinders, stick and stay. We're about to do the extreme tour on some ATVs. It's going to be dope.
Bro, come over here.
Okay.
We're gonna give you another helmet, so that's perfect for
Okay.
the GoPro. Okay, your phone. Well, it's gonna be very uncomfortable because it's.
Yeah, I took it out.
Okay, excelente. Hold on here.
Make sure it's secured.
Yeah, bro.
Tight.
Don't worry. Trust. I know that the difficult part is trusting Mexican people, but
No.
sometimes we know what we're doing.
So I got fitted, harness up, I'm ready to go. So, my goodness, guys, it's hot out here, I'll tell you that. But I'll take the heat any day over the cold. Needless to say, I'm harnessed up, I'm ready to go, I'm locked in, and I'm ready to do this. Get suited up with a helmet, put the GoPro on the head, and I ain't got a GoPro, it's a Yee, but put the camera on the head, and we get this thing here going, guys. So, it's on and popping.